Hello everyone. Welcome to Learn English Every Day. Today, you will learn how to introduce yourself in English. This lesson is perfect for beginners. Let's get started. Step 1, say hello. Hello. Hi. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Step 2, tell your name. My name is John. I'm John. People call me John. Nice to meet you. Step 3, tell your age. I am 25 years old. I'm 25. I just turned 25. Step 4, tell where you are from. I am from England. I come from England. I was born in England. Step 5, tell where you live. I live in London. I live with my family. I have lived here for many years. Step 6, talk about your job. I am a teacher. I work as a teacher. I work in a school. I enjoy my job. Step 7, talk about your studies. I am a university student. I study engineering. I love learning new things. Step 8, talk about your hobbies. I enjoy reading books. I like playing football. I love traveling. I enjoy watching movies. I like listening to music. I enjoy cooking. Step 9, describe your personality. I am friendly. I am hardworking. I am honest. I am patient. I am kind. I am organized. I like helping other people. Step 10, talk about languages. I speak Arabic. I speak English. I am learning German. I want to improve my English. Step 11, talk about your goals. My goal is to become successful. I want to travel around the world. I want to improve my skills. I want to learn more languages. I want to have my own business one day. Complete self-introduction example. Hello. My name is John Smith. I am 25 years old. I come from Canada. I live in Toronto. I work as a software engineer. I enjoy my job because I learn something new every day. In my free time, I like reading books, playing football, and traveling. I am friendly, hardworking, and patient. I speak English and French. Right now, I am learning Spanish because I enjoy learning languages. My dream is to travel around the world and meet people from different cultures. Thank you for listening. It was nice meeting you. Have a wonderful day. Now it's your turn. Try introducing yourself in English. Practice every day. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. The more you practice, the better you become. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.